Good evening, sir. I'm Cadet Palma and today I discuss what is home ownership. By the way, we are group 4. Then, what is home ownership? Home ownership means that you legally own the home or property you live in instead of renting it from someone else. When you own home, your name is on title or deed, and you have a right to live there, make changes to it, and eventually sell it if you choose. Ano nga ba ang home ownership? Ito ay nagmamay-ari ng isang bahay o tao na nagmamay-ari ng isang bahay na mayroong papel o tinatawag na titulo at nasa sa kanya ang pagpapasya kung ito ba ay ibibenta niya at ito rin ay ang tao na hindi na kailangan umupa dahil siya ang nagmamay-ari ng kanyang tinitirahan. Yun lang. Salamat.
What is mortgage? It is a type of loan that you take out to buy a home or property, especially in our current times that most of the things are quite expensive. So, not all people has the capacity to buy it in cash or at full price at front. So, they tend to borrow money from any lending companies or bank and agrees it to pay it back over time. And it usually has interest. So, example number 1. The purchase price of a home in a subdivision in Antipolo City is worth 4,200,000. A down payment of 20% is made and secures a loan on the remaining balance for 25 years at annual interest rate of 5.4%. So, we need to find the monthly mortgage payment, the total payment over the life of the loan, and lastly is the amount of interest paid on the loan over the 25 years. So, what are the given? So, first is the selling price, which is 4,200,000. So, time is 25 years. R represents the interest, which is 6%, or in converted in decimal points, it's 0.06. And next is M, that represents 12 months, and N equals to TM and equals to 25 years multiplied by 12 months equals to 300. And lastly is I, R plus M equals to 0.06 plus 12 is divided by 12, is equal to 0.005. So step 1, we need to compute the down payment. So in computing the down payment, we use selling price times the rate of down payment, which in value form is 4,200,000 times 0.20. That gives us an answer of 840,000. So now we know the down payment. So now we will compute the mortgage. So mortgage, the formula of it is the selling price minus the down payment, which we know that the down payment is already 840,000. So from 4,200,000 minus 840,000, and the answer of it is 3,360,000.
So step 3, compute for the monthly mortgage payment. So the formula we use is R equals AI divide 1 minus close parenthesis 1 plus I small I close parenthesis to the power of negative n. So R equals negative open parenthesis 3,360,000 times 0.005. Divide to 1, 1, 1 plus 0.5, and to the power of negative 200 equals 21,648,053. So, step 4. Compute for the total mortgage payments month minus monthly payments times number of monthly payments. Total mortgage payment minus 21,648,053 times 300 and minus 6,400,094 559. So, in step 5, compute for the amount of interest that we paid. So, interest total mortgage payments minus amount of mortgage. Interest equals 6,494,559 pesos minus 3,360,000 minus 3,134,559. The amount of interest paid over the life of the loans is 3,134,559. So that's all. Thank you.
Here's the example number 2. Miss Molina has a monthly payment of 12,700 pesos on a 20-year loan at annual interest rate of 5.7%. After making payments for 15 years, she decides to sell the house. What is the payoff for the mortgage? So here's the solution. R represents the regular payment or monthly payment, which is 12,700 pesos. T represents the time, which is 20 years. R represents the rate, which is 5.7% or 0.077. 57. M is month, which has 12 months. So, is equals to 5 years remaining years. N equals T1 times M equals, so we have T1 has a 5 years remaining years. Multiplied to M has 12 months. So equals 60. I is equal to R divided by M equals 0.057 divided by 12 is equals to 0.00475. We will apply the ARP payoff formula. Miss Molina had made payments for 15 years or 180 months. There are 60 unpaid or remaining payments. N equals to 60. So A equals R, which is regular payment, times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. So the answer of regular payment is 12,700. So we move to the next. A equals 12,700 times 1 minus open parenthesis 1 plus 0.00475 to the power of negative 60 over 0.00475 equals 12,700 times 52.10066,547. So the answer is 661,678.45.